friends. My name is Miss Rachel from Harris County Public Library. Today, we are going to be celebrating science. We're going to be looking at 3 experiments that you can do at your house. Our science theme for today is water. For our first experiment, we're going to be trying a fun game called Sink or Float. For this experiment, you will need to ask Mom and Dad's permission for a bowl of water. And for different items around the house, Mom and Dad are okay with you using to see if they sink or float. Today, come in closer and I'll show you. We're going to start off with a pen. Do you think this will sink or float? Let's find out. It looks like we have a floater. A crayon is very similar to a pen. Let's try it. Oh, that was a big splash. Definitely a sinker. Here we have a wooden block, similar to a boat. I think it's gonna float. Yes, it floated. Paper? I don't know. Let's try it. Yes, it is floating. For our last 2 items we're going to try, I have an orange here that has peeling on it and an orange that does not. We're going to try the one that does not have peeling first to see if it will sink or float. Whoa, check out that splash. It definitely sank. But will this sink? Let's find out. It made a big splash, but look at it float. The reason that this orange did not float and the reason this orange did is the one with the peeling on it has the ability to have air pockets in between the skin and the fruit. So it's kind of like a life preserver for this fruit here, and it does float. That's the end of experiment number 1. We're going to move to experiment number 2, again working with water. Here we have, you will see, a cup of water and a piece of paper that has an arrow drawn on it. This is a fun experiment to show your family and friends because it almost looks like magic. You're going to be working with something called light refraction. That's the magic that's about to happen. When I place this arrow behind the glass, it changes directions. That's pretty cool, huh? For our last experiment today, we are going to make it rain. I have some items that you will need special permission from Mom and Dad for. Food coloring, definitely a Mom and Dad item to ask about. Shaving cream, and a jar or glass of water. Let's get started. Shake, 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 shake. Here is our cloud. Beautiful. So here is our cloud up top. Down below is the earth and the sky. And I've chosen the color blue for our rain today. This is the part that Mom or Dad might need to help you with. First, you're going to start by dropping just a couple of drops on top. A couple of more. Wait a few seconds, and it's okay. Here it goes. Wait for it. It's coming through. And here comes the rain. Wow, I love it. This is a fun experiment to try at home. Be sure to have something covering your table when you do. As you can see, some of mine came dribbling down. Such a fun experiment, making it rain. I'm so glad you were able to join me for all 3 experiments today. Be looking out for more videos and stay tuned on our Facebook page. We'll have more great fun videos we'll be putting out soon for you. This was so great, and I hope you join me next time. My name is Miss Rachel from Harris County Public Library, and I'll see you next time, friends.